Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this ultimate pujo combo. This is Luchi with Cholar Dal. So Cholar Dal is a typical Bengali Cholar Dal or Chana Dal recipe which is so delicious and Luchi goes perfectly well with it. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first to make the luchi dough, in a bowl take 1 cup of maida. To that add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil and give it a mix. Now gradually add warm water and knead it into a semi-soft dough. Our soft and smooth dough is formed now. Cover and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now here I have soaked 1 cup of chana dal for 2 hours. Add it to a pressure cooker. To that add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 bay leaf, 2 slit green chillies and 3 cups of water. Now cover the lid and pressure cook till 2 whistles on medium flame. Our dal is perfectly cooked now. It is soft but it holds shape and that is how we want it. Now heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. To that add 1 teaspoon of ghee. To this add thin coconut slices. Also add some chopped coconut small pieces. I have used dry coconut here. You can also use fresh coconut. Roast till they are golden brown and take out in a bowl. Now to the same oil add chopped cashews and raisins. Roast till golden and take out and keep aside. Now in a bowl take 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. To that add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and keep it aside. Now in the same pan add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green cardamoms, 4 cloves, 2 inch of cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf, 2 dried red chillies and saute for a minute. Now add half teaspoon of hing and saute again. Now add the prepared ginger paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or till the oil separates from the masala. Now add the boiled dal. Give it a mix. Add salt if needed, half teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of jaggery and the roasted coconut and dry fruits. I have only added the chopped coconuts here. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes our dal looks perfectly cooked. Our chola dal is ready now. To make the luchi, take small portion of the dough, smoothen out within palms and make balls. Take one ball and apply oil to it. Roll it into a semi-thick puri. Now deep fry in hot oil. Press the top so that the puri pops up. Then flip and fry from the other side. Drip the excess oil and serve hot with chola dal. So our luchi with chola dal combo is ready now. This tastes so good. This combination is to die for. And this is the Niramish Bengali chola dal with Narkel and Kishmish. And this tastes so good. So do try it out this pujo and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.